Hey Binder fans, Jeff here at IH Parts America. Today we're going to show you the latest project to roll out of our shop, this 1972 Scout 2. And not only is it LS powered, but it's got a Magnuson Supercharger. So this Scout came to us, our customer purchased it from Bring a Trailer. Yeah, he wanted it to be a little bit more personalized for his particular needs. So brought it to us for the Magnuson Supercharger that we put on. It already had a 5.3 liter engine and a 6L80 transmission. We sent the 6L80 out to be rebuilt and built up a little bit higher for the boost that this Magnuson Supercharger is going to be putting out. So a lot more power coming out of it. The installation of the Magnuson Supercharger required a lot of changing of the fuel lines, the AC lines, air intake. So quite a bit underneath the hood had to be redone. As part of it, we also put a water-cooled air charger cooler in it, and that keeps the air charge coming into the engine through the Magnuson Supercharger as cool as possible. As for the rest of the drivetrain, it's got an MP241 transfer case. We put a set of our CPT drive shafts on there. Both are long travel, automotive type long travels, and a CV card, double cardan joint in the back. The rear axle was swapped out, the Dana 44, in favor of one of our CPT Ford 9-inch rear ends. So a lot beefier. It's got 354 ring and pinion in it and a limited slip differential. The front Dana 44 axle was already in perfect condition, so we didn't have to do anything there. Moving on to the suspension, we went ahead with our usual set of custom-made springs made for us by Alcan, American made. And they are made exactly for this Scout. We throw the Scout on a scale and then know exactly what weights it is, give that information to Alcan, and boom, we've got a nice set of smooth riding long travel springs that go on it, along with our CPT reverse shackle kit, of course, up front, and our standard CPT shackles in the back. To finish off the suspension, we did a set of custom valved ADS shocks for it. So it makes the thing ride really nice, long travel, real awesome suspension setup. All still spring under axle like the stock Scout configuration was. In the back of the Scout is the fuel tank that we custom modified to have 2 fuel pumps in it to keep up with the Magnuson Supercharger. We also stepped up the fuel lines up to dash 8 AN, half-inch fuel line delivery. So all that fuel will keep up with the demand of the Magnuson Supercharger. Although the body was in really good shape, the hardtop itself needed a little bit of work. So it was fully stripped down. It was completely welded up, all patched up where it needed to be. New fresh coat of paint on it, all lizard skin underneath, and then we sent it off for a custom headliner underneath there. So as you can see, it looks like better than brand new. While we had the top off, we went ahead and replaced all the glass. All the glass is brand new, not only in just the hardtop, but as the doors, the wing windows, and the windshield, and has that slight green tint to it as well. So again, really nice, all new weather stripping all around with brand new glass installed in this Scout. Make getting into the Scout a little bit easier. We put remote power door locks into this thing. So you just come up, hit a button, boop, boop, and it unlocks. Okay, so at IH Parts, we're not just known for our suspensions and work, but we also make some pretty exciting sound systems in these things. And as you can see, this one was over the top. We've got Baltic birch cabinets and baffle boards. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Again, if you're interested in having your Scout repowered at our shop, give us a call at 530-274-1795. We'll be able to help you out, give you a rough idea of what you're looking at to get either, like I said, an LS repower, maybe something you're already LS powered and you want a little bit more power with a supercharger installed, or you want to improve the drivability performance of your IH motor. We can do it all here, along with suspension, you name it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we appreciate it. You have a great day.